In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage permission profiles in DocuSign. Managing permissions in DocuSign is essential for defining what your team can or cannot do within your account, which ensures everyone has the right access to the tools they need. Let's dive in and explore how you can efficiently manage these permission profiles yourself. First, you'll need to open up DocuSign. This is as simple as navigating to your web browser and going to the DocuSign website. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to look towards the top of the screen and click on the Admin tab. This will direct you to the admin dashboard where you'll be handling all your permission management tasks. Next, within the admin dashboard, look for the Permission Profiles option. Clicking on this will display a list of existing permission profiles that you can edit or use as templates for new ones. These profiles help you control what various users can do, such as sending documents, viewing reports, or managing other users. After that, head over to the DS Admin section. Here you'll find comprehensive options about administrators' access levels. This is particularly useful if you're looking to assign administrative roles to team members. Similarly, check out the DS Sender section to refine the permissions specific to those who are primarily responsible for sending documents. This ensures they have the necessary ability to facilitate document transactions without unnecessary admin capabilities. Don't forget to review the DS Viewer area too. This is perfect for setting permissions for users who only need to view documents but not interact with them directly. Now, it's time to customize or create a new profile. Start by clicking on the Actions option to reveal further actions you can take on a profile. You'll want to select Copy if you prefer to base a new profile on an existing one, which can save you time by allowing you to adjust only the necessary details. Once you've set up a new profile template, it's crucial to give it a distinctive name. Naming your profiles clearly will help you and your team members identify them effortlessly, minimizing confusion. When it comes to selecting permissions, you'll want to be cautious and intentional. Choose the appropriate permissions that align best with the roles of the members who will be using this profile. Customizing these rights ensures that users access only what is necessary and helps protect sensitive information. As you finalize these decisions, click on Add to save your new permission profile. If desired, you can also hit the Add Permission Profile option if you wish to create an entirely new profile without using an existing one as a template. In setting permissions, consider whether or not you want to allow users to send envelopes. Click on the respective option to enable or disable this feature. Once you're satisfied with all these settings, click on Add once again to confirm and apply your changes. And there you have it, a complete guide to managing permission profiles in DocuSign, ensuring your team operates smoothly and securely. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.